Alright, so let me just show you this pretty cool example in GDevelop. I found this roughly about 5 minutes ago, so and I was messing around with this, and I think it's pretty cool. It's something you can use in your games. Walk away, and speech bubble goes away. Alright, so download this from the link down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Speech bubble. So let me just call this speech something. Say to the computer. I'm gonna call this super talk or something. Alright, so if you run this, this is what you're gonna get. Literally, you can just sort of click on the speech bubbles and they change. Can move and stuff, so let's fix that now. So let me just double click on this and add a behavior to this. Platform behavior. Platform behavior, platform character, whatever that's called. And that should give us that there. Need some ground, I guess. Make a new object. Actually, let me make a tile sprite. And we can make the image. Let me see. Paint this green and make the grass look like it's grass. Oh my goodness. Just paint this stuff here. Make it look like it's grass. There you go. It's kind of small though. Let me make that 64 by 64. 64 tray size. Okay. I drag this into the play area. Look at this amazing pixel art. Wow. Okay, bring that to the back there. And I'm gonna make this actually I'm not gonna make that the platform object. I'm gonna create another sprite here. Create a sprite. Just make this I don't know, blue or something. Okay. And you simply do this. Let me make that a platform, and yeah, that's it. Let me just try this. Seems to work fine. Wait, is this one a platform too? No, it's not. Okay, platform. Apply that. Try this again. How come we can't move? Oh, it says disable default controller, so enable that. That's why we can't move. Don't think it has any walking animations. According to me, it should have a walking animation. Alright, so let me just go to the events here. Fix that animation for walking. And that's going to be pretty easy. So if our character is moving, what is my let's see. It's moving. We can change the animation to walking, I guess. Animation by name. Okay. Animation walk. And say, for example, if you're not moving, so all you have to do is sort of inverse this condition, and you can swap the animation to idle. Okay. That's another animation hit. Idle will do. Okay. Let me make another animation here for this. Another condition. So say for example, keyboard related stuff. Say you're pressing a key. Key is pressed. Gonna be the right key. Alright, the right key. And then we can change the direction. Just type flip here. Flip horizontally. Okay. And change the key to left. And you go like flip, yes. Super easy. Anyone can do this. Okay. That's your walking animation. Now let's fix the speech bubbles. Now the position for this, let me just show you where those variables are. Under the assumed variables, this is where you will find the text. Okay. So let me delete that one there. And I'm going to duplicate this here. Duplicate it to pig 2. Okay. Second pig. Set the default animation to be one of the red ones. Okay. Run that, see what that looks like. Looks pretty good. And maybe at the start of the scene we could flip the object. Actually, let me just copy that, paste that here. Change the object to pig 2. Alright, so let me disable the keyword for that one. There you go. So now I just did an object here, like an invisible object. Maybe this sprite that just delete this one. Make a new sprite. And this doesn't have to be fancy, it could be anything really. It's filled out with color, well, not black. Okay. There it is. This is gonna be invisible. And I'm also gonna make this an obstacle. Like a platform object. There you can actually jump on this, but let me make it kind of big so you can't jump over it. Okay. Bit closer to the object. And at the start of the scene, we could make this invisible. New sprite. I guess visibility. Or sure, hide, so we're gonna go for hide. Okay, but the object still blocks the character. Okay, let me just position this here a little bit to the right. Oh wait, that pushes that one. Okay, there we go. That's much better there. Okay. So now the position of the bubbles. Just delete the second one. We don't need that one. Now for the position, this is going to be extremely simple. So the X position of the the first pig. Pig number 1. Okay, and for the Y position, we'll do the same thing. Same stuff. Y position of the first angry pig. Now that's gonna follow you everywhere now. So you don't want that like all the time following you, so let me make a new variable here. Click properties and just make a new variable. Call this show text equals 0. Now, so we only want to show this if show text is equals 0. Find show text here. Well, I didn't even name it show text. It's a show text storer. So if it's equals 0, then we can show this here. So by default, it's gonna be 0. So we can make this show text equals 1. So now it's completely invisible. So say we the pig collides with the new object. Find collision. Collision with which one was it? I think it's this one here, new sprite. I should really rename that something else, like rename that to invisible object. I think that renames here too. Okay. Say we collide with this, so we want to change that variable. So go over to variables, and we can change that to show text equals 1. So now it will show the text. Hi, I'm Norbert. Something blah 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 blah. Bring that piggy to the back. It's sent to back. Oops. There you go. Yeah, that works better. Okay. Now if you want to change the name tag, you simply change it here. Sparckman. Hey, I'm Norbert. Oh, it should be Sparckman. So to change that, come over to the variables and change that string to Sparckman or whatever you want to call it. You can add all kinds of stuff here. Now we could leave it here, but since we're geeks, we're gonna do more than that. Okay. So now we have one problem, that you walk away and that speech bubble is gonna follow you. So what we can do is we can invert this condition here. Where is it? Where are you? This one here. Actually, I don't even think we need this one. Let me just delete that one there. This here. The text. Okay, so maybe paste that over here. Duplicate it, and if you set to 0, we can change the text to simply instead of the variable, we can just set that to nothing. There you go. Walk away. We need to fix that too. Okay. All right. So let's see. The collision. Where's the collision? Okay, here's the collision. So duplicate that, and we're going to inverse that condition. Set this to 0 if there is no collision. Walk away. Now the text for the name tag stays there, so we need to remove that. Let me see how we're gonna do that. Yeah, we can change the name tag based on the this variable. Okay, if it's set to 1 and if it's set to 0. So if it's set to 1, we can show it. We can change the text of the name tag to Sparckman. And if it's set to 0, we simply set it to nothing. Okay. Set that to nothing. There we go. That should work. Now you can change the okay. Now it seems to work fine. Walk away. We come back. Now when we walk away, we don't want to come back to the same variable. That would be kind of dumb. So what we can do is set that variable to 0. Okay, how we're gonna do that? Let me see. Index set to 0. Okay, so we can, let me just copy this here. And we're gonna paste it on 0. Okay, try this again. So we start here. Hi, I'm Sparckman, and walk away. And it comes back to hi, I'm a Sparckman. I just forgot my own name. Walk away 2 seconds, and it's like I forgot everything. Now you could have it so the other character is the one that talks, you know, because generally an NPC that's what it does. Usually not you the one talking to the NPC. The NPC says something to you, which maybe we can do that in the next video. For now, this seems to work fine, guys. So yeah, so download this example from the link down below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, so see you guys in the next video. Bye now.